Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Play Store on any smart TV. So if you would want to install your Play Store on any smart TV, what you can do is you need to make sure that your smart TV is an Android TV. So there's a lot of smart TV right there that's actually Android operated. So you don't need to worry about that. So the only TV that doesn't have an Android operating system is usually the LG TVs as well as the Mac TVs. So you can head over right here and I have in here this article, and you don't need to install it altogether because the Google Play Store is already accessible onto your smart TV once you have purchased it. So in here for the compatibility and the requirements, you can see that you can have in here or you can check your TV's user manual to do a quick online search for your TV's model, and you should be able to do that. Now, in order to install it, you just head over to your smart TV settings and enable your unknown resources. So if you don't have your Google Play Store, you can head over and then download the Google Play Store APK file from a trusted source. Now just install that from there and you should be able to have it ready for your actual smart TV. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.